we were driving up the road. There's a road to get to the staging area for Hell's Revenge.
Correct.
I have all this on video, by the way, and then we're gonna be releasing it soon, the video. But a deal tells me over the radio, there's a Cybertruck up there already, and I'm like, what? And I look, I didn't see nothing. I did see a shade of a Ford, but then I heard him say, "Oh man, so they messed up their truck though," and I'm like, what? What is he talking about? And I was like, oh, whatever. You know what I mean? I thought it was like a razor or something else. So we get to the staging area and we air down. We did a little intro for our video, and then we go up, and it was a little scary. It's because it's pretty intimidating. And then I'm filming the whole time, and I caught up to I get close to the Cybertruck, and I'm like, oh, I caught up to the other Cybertruck. You could see a Cybertruck from a mile away, right, from the shape. And as I get closer, I'm like, damn, these trucks are really beat up, man. Like, what the hell's going on? And Adil and the other gentleman that were with us were behind me, so that they couldn't see yet. But as I got closer, I was telling them on the radio, Adil, these look like crash dummy trucks. And then Adil tells me on the radio, dude, it might be Whistling Diesel. And in my mind, I'm like, what? Why would Whistling Diesel be here? But then I saw them take off really fast. So I chased them down, right? I didn't know who it was yet. And then when I seen them turn, I saw those trucks that he's showing, Eric showing right now.
Mhm.
And I'm like, oh my God, it is Whistling Diesel. And I'm like a little fanboy, like, oh my God, it's Whistling Diesel, it's Whistling Diesel. I'm trying to chase them down. We're going like 80 miles an hour. And yeah, it was, go ahead and deal. What do you got after that?
Yeah, I mean, so we caught up to them, and I think they had their camera crew. So they have to stop, let the camera crew go ahead, set everything up, and then they have to go catch him, right? So between that time, that's when we caught him, and he was probably just waiting for his camera crew. So I grab my phone and I walk out. I'm like, oh, let me show you guys. Like, look who I found over here. And as we approach him, he was like, "Oh, say that again. I want to get you guys on video."
Mm-hmm.
And then we told him like, "We're the blue and orange Cybertruck behind you guys." He's like, "Oh, stay right behind us, and we'll bring you guys on the video." I was like, "Oh my God, we're about to get, we're gonna be in next Whistling Diesel's video." But I mean, it was going all nice and stuff, and then later, I think maybe his camera crew or someone, they talked to him and told him, "Hey, these guys are in every single shot. Can you guys tell them to, like, stay back a little bit?" And
That was
we
my
did,
fault.
but
Sorry.
no, but I mean, the only reason why we even went so
Yeah,
close to him, because
he told you.
Cody, the Whistling Diesel, he told us
Yeah, he
straight
did
up.
tell
He's like,
us.
keep
Yeah.
up with us. Yeah.
No,
So
but for the record, though, before we knew all this, they were already filming when I was chasing them down. I think I think I sent that video too, but I'm gonna post it. They were going really fast, and I was right on their ass, and I didn't realize it till I was looking at the video today that they were already filming. But
yeah,
even after that, he did tell us to stick close and that he would put us in a video. So we thought we were going to spend the whole day with Whistling Diesel. You
Hmm.
know,
correct. Yep.
Because
Yeah, that's really, we were like, oh wow, this is like, like, what are the odds? Like, not only see Whistling Diesel, but we see him doing a Cybertruck Whistling Diesel
in
hmm
in
video.
Utah,
You
we're
know,
we're 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 both far away from home at this point. He's from Tennessee and we're from California, so we kind of
yeah,
Yep,
met in the middle. You know,
they ship those trucks out that way. Yeah,
oh,
this is a
they
big
had
thing.
to,
yeah,
they had to. You know.
yep, yeah. They had no license plates on them, nothing. So I'm pretty sure, like,
No
they're
bumpers.
just, yeah, no bumpers. Yeah, nothing on there. Like, front bumpers, no back bumpers, and
Yeah.
so they really were like, just test vehicles, and they were doing all these and they were going fast on some of those
Really
areas,
fast,
like
really
really
fast.
fast.
He was
Yeah.
launching it uphill.
Yeah, he was
Oh
launching it
yeah.
uphill.
He was launching it uphill. Yeah.
I believe it
Yep.
because what was it he did? He had a few videos where he was out there as well with some other like a Land Rover and certain cars like go through and just push the
It,
limits, which is
is it
crazy
is
in a Cybertruck that
yeah.
already has the airbags deployed and they've cut them off. So it's like he got no safety equipment. His
Right.
it's just
It's
sketchy.
all welded back together. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, and I mean, I told him, I'm like, hey, we're gonna go do Hell's Gate, we've got to, and he kind of just looked at me kind of weird for a second. He's like, okay, I don't know if he was doing that for his video or something, but yeah, I know
Yeah.
he's done it a few times. He's done it with I think he did it with the G Wagon, the Mercedes.
G-Wagon.
Yeah, so he really messed it up over there, like crashed it, and so I was
Hmm.
thinking, I'm like, I'm pretty sure he knows what that is, but
Yeah. Oh, and the other one I was going to ask you, the Devil's Hot Tub, because he took the G-Wagon through that too. I don't know if you guys get to go past that or see anything over there.
Oh, there's no
we
way we could.
yeah,
There's
there's
no
no
way we
way.
could get in there.
Yeah,
I
There's
mean,
no
it's
way
got a.
there.
What are you talking about? It's got a Wade mode for the
No, you're talking about Mickey's hot tub,
or
right?
either
yeah,
one. Yeah.
Mickey,
yeah,
yeah,
it's
Mickey's hot tub. Yeah, I have pictures and video of it, and then yeah, there's no way the Cybertruck. If it goes in there, it's not
yeah,
coming out.
it's
Yeah,
not coming
It's
out.
gonna
Yeah,
get
that
stuck for
yeah,
good.
yeah.
yeah,
It's really meant for a short wheelbase. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
yeah,
That's. Are we just well, actually, it will go in, and it's just gonna sit in the front bumper and the rear bumper, and then that's it.
yeah.
Just
Yep.
sit.
Yes,
Well, that's
I
cool.
mean, and even that whole terrain, like it was very steep. Like some of the spots, like we're just like, okay, we're gonna scrape anyways. Like, okay, let's pick how we're gonna scrape it on there.
Hmm.
We were scraping our front bumper, Under Armour, the rear
Yeah.
bumpers, like the whole time.
Yeah, I'm scared to wash my truck. Then I'll see the
Yeah,
damage.
yeah, I know. That's why I haven't washed mine either. Yeah, so but the Under Armour definitely held up well. Like
Oh, 100%, 100%.
yeah, we did not worry about it.
Which is what
That's good.
Whistle and Diesel needed. He needed some
Yes.
sort of at least bare minimum bumpers,
Yeah, at least bumpers.
and
Yep.
yeah,
Yeah, he had his wires just hanging out, and that's what happened. When you have the stuff that protects other stuff, it's not there, then obviously things are gonna happen. So he
Hmm.
scraped the wire. He probably dropped the module, and he had somebody over there looking for some module, which I think is the Bluetooth module that's in the
yeah,
rear bumper.
but irrelevant. We offered to help, and then they just kept
Yeah.
ignoring us. Like we lit this same thing happened to Chewy's truck at in the mid 400. We ripped
Hmm.
all the cables, and we were able to fix it. We
Yeah.
could have
Correct.
fixed it. I had my
Yeah.
laptop. I had my toolbox. We went prepared for this in case it
Yep.
happened to our trucks.
Right.
And I told him that, and he's still like, but then he posted a video like, "Oh, can the Tesla, come, a Tesla engineer or something come,
Tweak a little bit,
tweak a
or
little the computers or something."
You got two of the perfect examples, like right there, like feet away from him, that could have helped them. You
Exactly.
know what I
Yeah.
mean?
No. And then this
Yeah.
is legitimately what we were telling them. Like, no matter what it
Yeah.
is, we'll help you. And I even posted to his post. I'm like, dude, I would have took it off my truck to so you could have drove back to the parking
Hmm.
lot to the
Yeah.
staging area. But they didn't respond till later, and had already left. And then the park closes, so and we were leaving the next day. That was our last day right there in Moab.
yep.
Yeah. So it was kind of we were bummed out that it broke down because, like I said, we thought that we were gonna spend the day with them, but it didn't happen. We went for to do our thing anyways. I mean, like I said, for me it was a bucket list. I wasn't gonna wait or all day for him or whatever to make up his mind. So I told you, you know what, if they don't want our help. Let's just keep going. I mean, we still got to get this done.
Hmm.
So and I'm kind of glad we did, because if that was the plan to bash on the Cybertruck, yeah, it kind of backfired
Yeah.
because we
Definitely.
did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It can still do
Yep.
some really cool things. That's the case.
Yeah, I mean, they can't claim that the Cybertruck couldn't do it, obviously, because there's two Cybertrucks on the same
Mhm.
exact day
Yeah.
on the trail doing
Not,
the same
not
exact
just
thing.
regular Cybertrucks, some of the baddest Cybertrucks, off-road Cybertrucks showed up, right?
Mhm.
Like right behind them. So it was like, what?
With
Yeah,
beefier
yeah.
tie rods, even.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
already beefier tie rods, yeah, from
Yeah, yeah.
like three or 4 days before.
Like
Yeah.
Yep.
4 millimeters worth. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, it was, I guess it was meant to be, and they posted a video about it, like bashing the Cybertruck. Oh, look, which one still stands? The Ford is still going. And we later found out that the Ford also broke down as well, and that was
Mhm.
not posted about anywhere on his channel.
Yeah.
Right.
That the Ford broke down. So we
I
found
mean,
out. Uh-huh,
oh,
go
go
ahead.
ahead. Sorry. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, no, I was saying we found out that after we found out that the Ford also break, we're like, wait, why? Why did he bash the Cybertruck? And he didn't.
Hmm.
If the Cybertruck broke down, he made a video. Why he didn't make a video when the Ford broke down? There's something going on there.
Right.
So
Did you guys see any other F-150s out there?
No.
no, we
There you
did
go.
not.
I
That's
saw,
all I have to say.
I, s- I saw some. What were those big ass? Were they GMCs? A deal? Those big 4x4, 4 door, long bed. They weren't Fords, right? They were like GMCs.
Right.
I think so. Yeah, that's all. That's the only other full size trucks we saw. But they were
Hmm.
like built. They had like 40-inch tires, and
Hmm.
I mean, it was still really hard for them
Yep.
because their wheelbase is even longer than ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
we saw them
lighter.
struggling in the beginning. Yeah, so but we didn't
Yep.
see any other F-150. We didn't actually. Those are the only other two trucks I saw. Period. Besides us,
Hmm. Yeah,
I
that
didn't
that would
see
be
any
my
other
main
trucks.
fear. Taking that F-150 out there, I would never do that. Like Cybertruck, sure, but I would not do that with an F-150 as an F-150 driver. Like, no, there's no way.
Oh, wait till you
Yeah.
see the video that I have. I mean, I was on, we were probably going like 40, 50 miles on rock. I was
Hmm.
just trying to keep up with it. I didn't realize that they were filming. I was just trying to keep up with them.
Hmm.
And then you could hear the
Awesome.
fun police next to me. Uh, oh, they're like, "Oh, he has money. He can afford to break his truck." I'm like, well, it happened anyway. So, yeah,
No, but
Yeah.
that's the natural reaction, right? You go out
Hmm.
there and you get, one of the, a really big YouTuber out there, with the Cybertruck. You have a Cybertruck. You guys both have Cybertrucks, and it's like, hey, let's do this together. Let's film
Yeah,
the
yeah. That's
epic
what I
video.
thought was gonna
it's
happen.
off
Yeah,
roading.
that's what. Yeah,
It's
Yeah.
it's
yeah.
about the people.
But you
Yep.
know,
It wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be. And I'm curious to see what if he even puts a video out. I guess
Uh,
well,
that's
it's going to be very interesting to see what if he. Yeah, I agree with you. To see if he even puts something out, and if he does, what that looks like. But um, I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited to see what you guys put out because I know you guys have some amazing drone footage.
we have really
Um,
good drone footage. We have ground footage, and we have so much footage. We just got to put it all together.
yeah,
So
no,
we can make a really nice video, and a lot of it is in my front dash cam. That he said it broke in 5 minutes. I have 40 minutes of driving behind them. You know,
correct.
so
Yep.
Yeah.
I'll put it to
Yeah.
you that way. Yeah.
There you go.
So
shots fired.
but a lot of it was waiting, though. Like
Hmm.
it was 40 minutes of time, but it wasn't a lot of it driving. So
I'm curious. Do you have any
Yeah.
footage of when he says it broke?
we might. We haven't
Okay.
even looked at it yet.
Interesting.
A
Could be
deal was
interesting.
had. I know. Well, we need to dissect it. We need to put it all together and then frame
Hmm.
it and then see if go frame by frame and see if we can see anything. But I
Yeah.
don't know. I don't know.
But you're
Like I
right.
said, I
Without
was.
bumpers, he's probably rolling the dice at that point, anyways. So it's just a
If
matter of
when
time.
when he on the this the when he goes in those dips, he probably scraped.
Yes.
All he did was cut one of those
Mm,
harnesses because
Yep.
there was nothing there. So
right.
that's all it took. And
Yeah.
and if
Now,
it was that module that we think of, I could have just deleted that off the system, the
True.
Bluetooth
Yeah.
module.
we have a question in chat about your guys's Hugo's asking. He says, "What's Jerry and Adil's channel, YouTube channel?" So, are you guys going to post on both of your channels, or what's the plan with that? Once you guys, just because I want to provide that
Good question.
information for
But
everybody.
probably on I was thinking just collaborating with all of us, right? I mean, just do a collaboration, and either you look up my channel or Deal's channel, and I would obviously collaborate with you guys.
Well, here, just to provide, I mean, I always leave Hugo. I always leave in the description once I edit the podcast and kind of do everything that I got to do after we film. Uh, I always put, so if you go to my past podcast episodes, you'll see Adil and Chase and also Jerry's YouTube and social media channels all there. But here's Jerry's for anybody that's interested. Um, and then let me pull up Adil's real quick as well. So, and here's Adil's. So, most definitely, I highly encourage everyone to go follow them and subscribe to them because, like I said, they're going to come out with this epic video that I'm super excited to see because, they're sharing uh, information on this trip, but it's one thing to talk about it; it's another thing to actually see all this footage, and so that's going to be
Yeah,
really
no,
really
Yeah.
cool.
it's no, we kind of skipped through a lot of parts, right? But and then there's other videos that are gonna come out too. That was just that one, Whistle and Diesel. There's, if you guys saw the views that we saw and that the swing arm alone, we got so much video. I've
Yeah.
only posted a little bits and pieces that I can find because we recorded so much. It's just it's the timelines with my metas, with the phone, with the drone, and it's it's all confused. My phone's like I don't know where to put this stuff. It's all mixed up, So
Mhm. And
so
again,
yeah,
too, I'm sure people want to see like what settings you're using for that too, if they want to go out there
yeah,
again.
and I think on the other camera that I had it up in my glass right here, so it was
Hmm.
facing all that. And
Okay.
and I think if you pause it, you can see all the settings, and I think I even talk about it at certain points. So that's going to be good for anybody that wants to follow in our footsteps. But yeah, it's going to be interesting.
Awesome.
Yep. Yeah.
That's
We'll definitely put together a nice video for the whole Utah trip and everything that happened with Whistling Diesel because yeah, I mean, I hope he brings the video out and just be like, hey, both trucks broke down, bring the truth. But I did notice that he deleted that video where he was bashing the Cybertruck on his Instagram.
Hmm.
So I'm sure that after the story came out that the Ford also broke, he was probably like, okay, I got to delete this because it's proving him wrong or as a liar or whatever people want to call him. So yeah, he did delete that video. So I hope he does make a video on this and show it what happened
Hmm.
because the people who recovered his both
Oh, we know they're going
vehicles,
to post it. Matt's off
they're gonna
road.
post it for sure.
Oh,
Yeah,
they're going to
Matt's off
post
road
it.
recovery.
Yeah, Matt's off road
So
recovery.
Yeah, because
yeah,
they
so I'm
left
looking.
they left the trucks out there, right?
They left them overnight, and one of
Yeah,
the
No.
Whistle and Diesel's crew did message me back, and he said, "Oh, if you want to go take a crack at it, have at it." But it was
Hmm.
already after hours, and like I said, the
Yeah,
park
they
was
were done.
closed, and
yeah,
I wasn't. We were leaving the next morning, and if it was just me and the deal, we probably would have like maybe stayed around, but we had our
Hmm.
wives, we had kids. You know what
He
I
was
mean?
probably
It's
joking
it's
too.
yeah. So you
Yeah.
know, it is what it is. We'll see. We'll stay tuned. I'm curious to see what he puts out.